Today is video 1 on Monday, January 1st, 2024. New year, new date, and all this has got to come out. I got to disattach all this. This train's going to come down this month or this week. I already started clearing out that yesterday. Think I'm going to saw this wood up to about here. Cut this wood if I can. Make it that high instead of but yeah, I hate to see my train go. I don't know what's going to become of it, but it's got to come down and out of here. (9:43). We got to get to our reports. With bike reports. That's where I gotta dismantle that. Take all these wires out of the switch. Take the wires out of these switches. That's what I might do this week. Put some of the buildings and trains away in the boxes. Yeah, I had this up for 20 years. This year it'd be 20 years I had this up. 2004 is when I put this in here without the add-ons. It was only the 4x8, but this is about 2 feet. Gonna take this wires off of these switches. Take this off the controller, but not today. But we will start on it today on January 1st in the video 1 on Monday, January 1st, 2024.